Bridgeland in Cypress, Texas is named yet again Master Plan Community of the Year. We're here today taking a look at two builders, Coventry Homes, and then Ravenna Homes has a brand new model here. So we're taking a look at both of those today in Creekland, which is one of Bridgeland's newest quadrants of available homes. And it's incredible. You know, it's easy to see why Bridgeland is an incredible master plan community. I mean, so much thought has gone in to these quadrants that they are developing, and they're not really stopping anytime soon. They'll have years and years ahead, but it has been such a joy seeing how Bridgeland has developed and grown even over the last couple of years. It's really just developed from nothing, from just bare, raw land. And now you see behind me all of that development. You know, just a year and a half ago, a lot of this was not even here. So Creekland, the quadrant that is the newest, and Bridgeland here has just really developed so much, and honestly, incredible builders. I don't think it would be Bridgeland without all of the quality builders that they have brought to this master planned community. The other builders that are here, we have Bridgeland Homes, we have Chesmar, we have Perry, Highland, David Weekley, all sorts of builders here in different price points. And one of the things that Creekland has done here in this area is really brought homes in a price point that is affordable for many of the home buyers that are looking here to stay in Cypress, Texas. So I'm excited to show you these models. Like I said, Ravenna is new, brand new. They finished the model just a few weeks ago. And Coventry has their Covington home that they are featuring as the model. And I absolutely love that plan. It's open to below. And there's just so many amazing things about both of these plans. If you have any questions about the builders, the plans, the community in general, reach out. And if you're ready, let's go take a look at these. All right, welcome to the Covington plan. I absolutely love this plan. It's one of Coventry's most popular plans in this community. And so the current section that they have going has about one spot left for this plan, but their next section coming up, you can put the Covington in a whole bunch of different spots there. 2437 square feet, 4 bed, 3 bath. This is an open to below plan with a game room upstairs and a 2-car garage. Let me know what you think about this plan. It's lovely. Enjoy. It's no secret that Coventry is one of my all-time favorite builders. So what did you think about this plan? Let me know. And up next is our newest model in the Creekland section of Bridgeland. Ravenna Homes has their brand new model here, and it's spectacular. So here we go. This is a 2-story plan, the 3300 plan, and it's exactly 3,300 square feet of space also. 4 beds, 3.5 baths here. There's a study in this plan on the first floor, a game room up top with a 2.5 car garage here. It's a lovely plan, spectacular finishes that they have here. Let me know what you think and enjoy.